Sawadee ka! Kantuk kain Thailand! Saan yan? Thailand mo. Sawadee ka!
I feel the plastic mo.
Is it made from Thailand?
Yes. Made from Thailand.
Wow, ang cute. Let's go. Wala na si...
How much? It's how much?
Baka hindi ko yun. Sisihin niyo kayo mga sa pangla. What is the color? How can we choose it?
This one mango? Yeah. This one. Best
I want to try. Sisi, ba't mo naman pinagat lahat? We are 5. Can you give us 5? Yes, thank you. Akala ko natatawa kasi. Kaya mo ito siya rin gawin. Masarap yun. Yung green.
Welcome to my vlog.
We're going to Iran!
Ano naman joke yun? Iran.
Iran? Brother, is this made from Iran? Wow! Itong sister, oh.
Sister tayo na.
Sister 550 para ka nag-donate.
Pero ang gandang tibay, ang ganda ng quality.
Wow, tibay
Design is really,
motivational. It's giving Iranian. Ano to?
I don't know.
Sorry. Wow! Can we try? Kiwi, quiz? Let's try. Give us. Give me taste also. I want to try. Nasang kiwi na dried?
This is banana.
This. What is this?
I think
Koch.
Koch.
Koch. Please try. Please say. Koch.
Aplam.
और नजर उठाने में भी इजाजत
Quite shukran. Shukran. We just taste. Ayun. Gusto ko i-try yun, sister. Ewan ko kung ano yan. Ha?
Can I try?
Ito, sister. Gusto ko to try.
Choke.
Hindi ata. Maalat. Di ba? Silipin ng GCC.
Huh? Go, come, and carry.
Sobrang funny mo pa din. Ba't ganun? What's in GCC? Snacks.
Hindi ko na nakain.
Pad hi. Why? Because you're corny?
Because I'm Cornish.
Yes. Cornish? because we're in Cornish.
This one, 106. Okay. To buy you $100.
Korea and Japan together. So, for dami ng tao.
Feeling ko, gutom na
10,000 pag-uwi. So, yung ano pa naman mo?
Malaman.
Oy, sister! Just like crazy. All the girls. Nilagay yung Philippines para may jeep. Let's go home na. Ano, jeep? But sister, ba't hindi naman nila, hindi sila gumawa ng Philippines? Hindi nila alam. Ano yun ang turkey?
Gutom na kami.
Gusto mo ikaw lang kumain kami ni Horaifa ng fries.
Sana all.
Kasi wala akong
Huwag
internet.
na tayo mag-taxi na lang tayo. Or, saan ba merong wifi? Sa Starbucks?
What? O, tara, tabid na. Wow! Ano ito? Ito yung Shibuya, sister. Ito yung Shibuya crossing. Ano ito? Nasa tayo? Damam crossing tawag dito, sister.
Kaya madapa naman.
Shibuya
Oh my God!
crossing.
Diyos ko po!
Diyos ko. O, tara na, mag-book na tayo. Nasaan na?
Dito na, dito.
Sinadya niya yan.
Sister Baso!
Siyempre, hindi ba halata?
Sister!
Sister, sabi nga talaga, ganun talaga, oh.
Tsaka yan!
Sister.
Tsaka lang
Yes.
puti lang siya. Totoo, puti. Tsaka. Okay lang sister, hayaan mo na. Hindi na tayo umorder.